Hi and welcome to Mark 1 Sailing. I'm Mark and I'm going to show you how to shave with a straight razor like a real captain. So, what we're going to do today is the captain's morning routine. So when you wake up in the morning and your beard has grown overnight and you have to shave to have some respect from your sailors, you start with the shaving. So what you need for this is a leather belt to sharpen your razor, then a straight razor, a brush for the shaving soap and some aftershave. So the first step is to take your straight razor and you give it some sharpening with your leather belt. You take the leather belt, stretch it out so it's nice and flat. And then you take your straight razor, somehow like this, and you start to drag it each direction, but when you switch directions, make sure you don't tip it over the blade, but over the back of the knife. You do this about, let's say, 20 times in your speed, and then in the end, after 20 to 30 times, your razor should be sharp again. What you see, sometimes the barbers drag the blade a few times over the hand to straighten the tip of the blade even more, and then you have a nice and sharp blade to give you a clean shave. The next step is to foam up the soap. So you take your razor soap and then you take your brush, put some warm water on it so it's thoroughly drenched, and then you just rub it on your shaving soap until you get some foam. It usually takes some time and you have to make sure that your foam is nice and wet but not dry, because when the foam dries on your skin you will get itchy and scratchy shave. So now you put your brush aside with the foam on top, wash your soap and your hands and put the soap back. And for the next step you take some hot water and you can either put it on a towel and then put the towel on your face, or you simply take the hot water and put it directly on your face. This is for opening your pores and making the beard a little bit softer so it's easier to cut. Then you take your hands full of water and rub it over your face. For the first shave, you start shaving with the grain. I usually start with my right hand because I'm right-handed, and I start here from my right ear. And always when you shave, pull the skin against the direction which you're shaving. I take my hand and pull the skin up here and start by shaving in an angle about 20 to 30 degrees, just which fits you right. And just do small strokes and shave the same part of your skin a few times, and always also go down with your hand as well. till you are at the bottom. On top of your lips, you can just stretch the skin by pulling your mouth down. I always leave the area from here to a few centimeters under my underlip, and here 3, because this is the hardest part and needs some extra attention, and the beard is growing in various directions. To make it a little bit easier for my skin, I start here from the bottom, shaving up, but always using the same directions, like this. I do this on the middle and on the right side of my face until the edge of my chin, and then I start again from up, going down here, and then going from the middle to the right side. Now I pull my skin to the left so I can easily shave the right side of my chin. Yeah, and as you can see, it's already a clean shave, but not perfect yet. So I finish on the left side with the same procedure, and then we start going and shaving against the grain. And on the left side of my face, I use my left hand. If the foam can be easily washed off your straight razor, then it's just the right moisture. If it sticks to the blade, your foam is too dry. Now I start again with the foam. Now the next step is to go against the grain. So I start from down, going up, and for this I have to clean my skin under the beard, so I have a good grip. You do this first with your wet hands. Wash the foam off. And then you take your towel and wipe the water off your skin, so you have a good grip and you can pull your skin against the direction which you are shaving. I start again with my right hand, but now take some extra caution. Pull your skin down and then you start shaving smoothly. And now the hardest part here, going against the direction, so from my perspective, from left going right. I pull the skin to my left ear and start shaving. So, and now the other side with the left hand. And now if you're shaking a little bit with your left hand, you just pull the skin with your whole right hand and lean your left hand on the right hand so you're a little bit more stable. And now on the end, you apply really cold water on your face and then the aftershave. You clean your face from the remaining foam. You rub your whole skin with the aftershave. Yes, and that's it. That's how you do your captain's morning routine. Thanks for watching, and as always, fair winds to you.